This video is the dismantler job overview of a truck. First thing in the morning, all the equipment must be inspected and the oil must be checked. Then the dismantler retrieves the vehicle he's been assigned. To start, the dismantler checks the VIN number. And then he puts on any personal protective equipment. After safely setting the lift, the dismantler removes all the bed, body, and drivetrain bolts. Next, he prepares to move the bed box. Now the dismantler is removing parts from the cab in preparation to lift the cab off the frame. While preparing the cab for removal, he uses the refrigerant recovery machine to safely remove the refrigerant gases. Now the cab will be lifted using both the forklift and the vehicle lift. Once the cab is elevated off the frame, the dismantler will use the loader to retrieve the cab. Next, he will remove the wheels and tires and break them down onto the tire machine. Now the dismantler prepares to remove the drivetrain. Next, the fuel tank is removed and drained. Then he drains the engine. Then the engine is palletized so it can be stocked safely on a shelf. Now the transmission is drained and also put on a pallet to be stocked. Now these suspension components are removed from the frame. And now the vehicle is complete.